Hello guys, welcome to Taste and Life. Before we move to our new tasty recipe, please click on the subscribe button if you haven't done it already. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. We are going to make cheese rolls. And for that, we would require plain flour or maida 1/4 cup, corn flour half tablespoon, semolina or rava half cup, mozzarella cheese 2 cup, mixed herbs which is optional, a pinch of salt, oil for frying, water half cup. Let's get started. Take a bowl for mixing, add the mozzarella cheese. I am adding mixed herbs in here. You can skip it if you don't like it. I am using snapping pizza mix for this. I have mixed the herbs with the cheese. Now we will add the corn flour and a pinch of salt. Now mix them with a spatula or spoon. Add a spoon of maida and mix. Also add a spoon of rava. Now mix it properly. We will transfer the cheese mix on a flat plate so that it would be easy for kneading. Knead it very properly until it becomes a soft dough. Make small rolls out of this dough like this. Now take rest of the maida and add some water in it. Mix it till it turns to a liquid consistency. The consistency should look like this. Now take maida, cheese rolls and rava. Dip each roll into maida properly so that the maida paste covers it fully. After this, roll it into rava. Cover it properly into rava. Rava will make the rolls crispy. Repeat this step for all other rolls. Now, keep them into refrigerator for about 30 to 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, they would look like this. It's time to fry them. Take a pan and add oil. You don't have to deep fry, so just add oil so that it would cover only half rolls. When the oil becomes hot, add rolls carefully and let them cook. Don't overcrowd them. Cook till they become golden and crisp. After that, take them out one by one carefully. Just look at the cheese, how it has become. Doesn't it look delicious? You can serve them with tomato ketchup or chili sauce. Your cheese rolls are ready.
Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.